Welcome to my channel. This is Real Base. If this is your first time, please consider hitting the subscribe button, and then you go ahead and hit the bell icon on the side to show you notifications when we upload videos like this, quality contents like this. It will help you, it will get you notified so you can come online and see the content we've brought to you. So a quick one, I'll quickly show you two things. All right, so if you've not seen my previous videos, I'm going to be dropping the links below, but to narrow down our discussion today, the detail today, I'm going to be showing you two things. One, how you can make money in your sleep. All right, you don't have to do all the hard work. All right, the hard work will be done but once. All right, now let's go straight into my laptop. All right, but before we do that, if this is your first time, please consider hitting the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when we bring up quality videos online, quality contents like this for your viewing. All right, so make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. If this is your first time, please subscribe. All right guys, let's jump straight into my laptop. Okay, so guys, this is my dashboard. Okay, this is my dashboard for CryptoTab mining. All right, CryptoTab browser. All right, so this is what I've been able to mine for say a little bit above 1 week. I think 8 to 9 days. I've been able to do this with no, I think it's 2 weeks now, not sure though, but my point is I did 7 cents alone, mining alone, and then my network, my my downline, people who subscribe, who joined through my link, 11 of them did 6 cents. Okay, so what do I need to do? If I don't want to continue this, all I need to do is, if in about the same time I was able to do 6 cents and my downlines did I was able to do 7 cents and my downlines did 6 cents. All I need to do is give much of the work to my downlines. They keep mining and then I'll just chill. How about that? It's easy, guys. It's not about working hard, it's about working smart. All right, when you get the idea, you implement it and you make money. Easy peasy. All right, so this is how we'll go about it. Make sure that you share your link to your friends. All right, so this is what I did. I came to my WhatsApp on my phone. I dropped it on my WhatsApp status, and then I created a broadcast, WhatsApp broadcast, sent it to some of my friends who will be interested. Not all of your friends will be interested, all right? So you don't spam them with lots of messages and then they end up blocking your line, all right? And then I drop on my Facebook wall, I drop on my Facebook status, and then my friends on there see it and then they subscribe. Trust me, this is just one of my accounts. I promise you that. And this is about the smallest account. Okay, I have 4 of this running right now. Okay, so this is how you make money in your sleep. All right, I just decided to show you with this account because it's something I did. All right, it's mining right now at this hash rate. All right, I didn't boost this because I already did that with one of my accounts. So when that is done, I can decide to boost that again. Anyway, the long talks, let's cut the long story short. This is how you make money in your sleep, and a total of $1.04. Easy. All right, so you can get started right now. You find the link in the description. Just hit the link down there and then you'll be able to start browsing, start mining. All right, so second of all, let's take you to my dashboard on rupee4click.com. All right, so I've gotten so many questions, so many people are asking me, sending me emails. I'm dropping comments in the comment section. Hey bro, have you been able to make withdrawals? Guys, I also have not been able to make withdrawals. The reason is I have not completed my verification process and I have been very, very busy. All right, so what do I need to do? Let me show you what I need to do for my verification to pull through. Okay, so stay with me. These are the requirements, these two, fraud verification and task verification. All right, so I need 100 clicks and I have 77 already. I need 23 more. All right, so when I put much of the work into this, my verification process is a step closer to being completed. And already completed this, I need 5, I have 20, I have 33. And then here, this is where the problem is. So many questions have come, and this is where the challenge is. You find out that you try to complete app installation task and then it's not being credited that you have done the task. All right, so this is why. Let me tell you why. What you need to do is get other phones. All right, anyway, let me just show you that quickly. But before I do that, what you need to do is make sure that this is 10 app installs complete, and this red will check to green. 23 more for 100 and this will check to green, and then you'll be done. When that is done, you come here and you click on the download task form, you fill it up and you upload it up right here, and then you finish your verification and your payment will be released to you. All right, so let's go back to my dashboard. I will show you all right, so no, not my dashboard, sorry about that. App install jobs. Okay, install app job. All right, so this is how you can get past this stage. Pay close attention, do not skip anything. Pay close attention, and if you're getting value right now, please subscribe right now. Just subscribe, hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up, and yeah, you can share, copy the link and share it to your friends so they also get value they also get benefits from this value we're giving. All right, so look at this. It says if you want to complete tasks more than once, this is what you need to do. If you want to complete tasks multiple times, you can do so by using another device. This is the trick, guys. This is the trick. As a matter of fact, they're giving you the trick. Okay? For example, if you complete a task on your iPhone, you can complete it again on your computer, or an old iPhone, or another device, on other device that hasn't been used to complete this task yet. Okay, so what this basically means is all you got to do is, maybe you're hanging out with your friends, just get their phones, go to their browser, log into rupee4click.com, log into your account, go to the install app task, and then go to that same task that gave you a recording that you've completed the task. Download that app on the phone, run it for about a minute 30 seconds, and then you can go back and see you will be credited for that app installation. And then you can go ahead and uninstall that app from the person's phone, and if the person likes the app, you can go ahead and leave the app on the phone. Do that for all the phones you can find around. Listen, I know it's hard work, it's discomforting, yes, I know, but then it's just this one time. Do it this one time, and then your payments will come through easily for the subsequent ones that you'll be receiving. All right, so that's all you need to do, guys. That is all that you need to do. And then if you want to load more tasks, you click here, it will take you to this page. All right, this is what you will see. Okay, 2 more here. Actually, they can be more than 2. It depends on the area, the location where you are. Okay, so that is basically all about this video, guys. If you're facing any more challenges, please feel free, drop it in the comment section. I will address it. And if you're not able to get this much results, let me know what the challenge is. Drop it in the comment section below. If your country is the challenge, drop the country in the comment section, and then we'll take it from there. I'll give you the much advice you need to get you started. So 2 things. Rupee4Click is one of the ways you can make money online, and then the CryptoTab browser there. Okay, so that's how you make money, guys. That's how you make money. Look at it. That's how you make money. Easy peasy, in your sleep. Your network make money for you. Just get your friends to download the app on their phone through Facebook, through WhatsApp. Just share it out. Okay, so your friends can get the app on their phones, and then they are good to go. Listen guys, right now is the time for you to jump in on this. If you're not making money right now on this, you're missing out. This is how opportunities come to you. All right, you should be smart enough to take it. All right, when you start, listen, don't get these things twisted. When you see anyone who tells you that you can make $1,000 in one day and then you're going to do this, you don't have to do this, all you need to do is invest this, look, you're going to get scammed. All right, listen, making money is not easy. It's not about working hard, it's about working smart. And when you work smart, you get some businesses up and running. You can use that to function to fund your actual project. I know you have a project you want to run, you have a plan you want to run, but then you don't have the capital to do it. This is how you make little profits on the side. And then when you get from RupeeClick, you get from CryptoTab browser, you get from all these sites we're bringing up to you, Talent's Desire, and I still have some I'm going to bring it up later on in the future. The reason why we delay bringing up this content is because we have to verify. I have to verify that this will pay, and when they pay, I first have to make withdrawals and then see how I fare, how it was for me, and then I can answer your questions. All right, so that is why it takes a little while before we bring such videos to you, and when we bring them, they are guaranteed to be successful. All right, so if this is your first time, please consider hitting the subscribe button. This is Real Base, in case you don't know. This is where you find videos on how you make money online. All right, so enough of the too much talks. I'll see you in the very next video. Take it easy.